You wanna come with her?
You wanna come with me? Oh. You stay here. I'm just gonna take a vacation with my mom.
Ang cute nila, nag-sing height sila. Ay.
Bakit ka, uy, yung ano natin ah.
Ingat! Ingat sa biyahe!
Hindi ko kaya!
Wow!
Yeah!
Ay, puta, malalaglag ako! Oo. Sige, open.
Huh?
Yeah. Nasukat ko na yan. Oh! Uy! Okay. Mukha tayo mga kulto. This is your new school, okay?
Ugumar Resort Hotel. Treat yourself and your friends at their Serenity Bar so you can wine and dine. Also, at the Ocean
Sir, Mommy, close the
It's cool.
It's good.
Perfect.
Wala din kasampayan nito. Nakikita niyo ba? Hindi ko na alam ano gagawin.
Pagkatapos niyang papakan yung final ko nakalabas na dito. Oh. Tignan mo. Ang baba niya. Take a bite.
Very starry.
Because that's our favorite. We're gonna play with Mommy.
So, itong mga to, hindi ko alam kung saan ko to lalagay. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Tapos yan, te.
Ito mo.
Bilis.
Yan.
Dito na siya?
Oo. Sige, open.
Huh?
Yeah. Nasukat ko na yan.
Tapos ano ilalagay?
Mga plastic lang. Squash lang ganyan. Squash. 1, 2, 3. Squash. Okay.
Okay.
Patong na yan. Pwede na siya dito. Ayan po si Mama Joanne. Ala. Uy. Wake up na, wake up.
They didn't even give me breakfast.
This. Your first day and last day to your school. Diba? Ang ganda ng gising ni Ella kasi hindi po yan. Wash your head, Mami. Raining.
But I'm going to school.
Of course.
Eh,
Okay. Mukha tayo mga kulto.
Baya, Titin.
No, they are, because you are new here, they said it's okay. I talked to your teacher. Your uniform is still, they're still making it.
Kata-kata ka po dalam?
Thank you, Mom. Okay. Alright. Make it even. Are you okay? 1, 2, 3. May papri. May paano yun? May pap... Bi, meron akong meron akong idea.
Anong proposal mo, ma'am?
Madam.
Pag-ibike ako?
Hindi. Yung mga bato. Eh. Lakihan mo pa ng konti. Bulok ba yung bubong nyo?
Maririnig na to kasi siyempre mo, kita pa lang.
Okay. So, di ba isa-surprise mo sila? Videohan mo sila.
Sige.
May video ka, no? Babatoy mo yung bubong nyo. Tapos,
Ala, malayo yung bubong namin. Kasi terrace muna.
ay, malayo.
Sa laki yung persahan. Sabihin mo, kunin mo yung kape sa loob. Huwag mo sasabihin pasok ka na. Hindi, ito ano kung magkakape mo sa loob. Kami.
Ay, ipinain mo.
May ilan ba? Kaya yan. Huwag ka magkakalatan na nandito. Yan, namumulakat na naman ako.
Naliblangan na yun.
Kape mo, ma.
Ano oras ka, Go?
5:30.
Ang narinig ko na yung kanina. Bukas ng bukas yung nakala ko si Claire na yung lumalabas. Tapos diba pumasok yung
Si Marites.
Ella! Wala, gusto niya talaga doon.
Ikaw na kasi siya papunta din. Sabi niya sa akin,
We're not, this one is not fit on our doors. So we cannot do it. Okay. Favorite niya talaga to.
Gusto mo i-compute natin? Bacon niyo po.
Bete, okay na yun?
Oo.
Ganda yun.
Kasi ano niya to eh. Mahirap maintain.
Hindi lang siya expensive.
Mahirap i-maintain.
Yung maintain talaga.
Oo.
Yung dati natin na ano.
Oo, mahirap. Ito. Here. Hindi siya gusto. It's so beautiful. Even you put a water on this one, you can easily wash. But that one, you need a vacuum. You need to do a lot of stuff. Same thing. When you accidentally spill water on it, it's gonna be hard. But this one, it's not. It's easy to maintain.
And then they have foam as well.
Yeah, that one you want, but it doesn't have anything. But walang foam eh. Hindi, ayoko.
I think color nito.
Ang ganda ng color.
Ata metal ata.
Oo.
Ito ano, parang the plastic.
Ayaw niyo. Why you don't like it?
Gusto nga daw yung kanila. Sabi niya dito kasi.
Ha? Mas gusto daw niya to.
Like we'll change the cover.
Ito kasi ang problema nito, grabe ang dumi nito. Mabilis, oo. Ano to, magsisiksikan yung ano nito. Maganda.
Parang ganyan yung design ng dati.
Because you said you don't like to maintain.
It's easy because the dirt here, it will come over here. Sobrang dirty. Ang dirty. The dirt will come between this. Even you like this. Okay? Let's... Ang ganda oh. Iuulam namin yan.
Para siya may pagkating.
Apo, okay na po. May straw po, sir? Straw? Yan. Very, very good. O yung ano lang tanabi. Ella, don't step on the flower, please. Lakas mo, Jo, ah. Sira na po.
Mars, come here. Come here. Come here.
Uy, iba din.
Again. Again.
Ikaw pala. Mommy, don't want to help.
Oh, here.
See, I'm just gonna pack some of my conditioner. I'm not gonna get it there. Diba? I'm gonna go back.
You wanna come with her?
You wanna come with me? Oh. You stay here. I'm just gonna take a vacation with my mom. Why are you crying? I'm not gonna leave na?
Okay, ate will stay.
Okay. I'll stay na lang. I'll just invite my mom. Can I invite my mom here?
Do they have bed here? Santiago. Are you hungry?
Basang-basa yung kilig-kilig ko kaagad. Sorry. Kita ba yung dede?
Mabait ka doon.
Ang cute nila, nag-sing height sila. Ay.
Bakit ka, uy, yung ano natin ah. Project tayo, diba?
Balik namin yung mga bye!
Ingat! Ingat sa biyahe!
Hindi ko kaya!
Ay puta, malalaglag ako.
Doon kahapon sa 16.
That's not for you! Not anything to eat. You're eating me. I'm not even ganda talaga dito. Ito yung the best location sa lahat. Hindi, I mean yung sa lugar.
She needs to go home na. Oh, you say goodbye na. Oh, don't cry, huh? It's okay. You gonna miss her? Okay, okay, you hug na ate. You love ate? 10 minutes yung papunta doon. May 10 minutes na lang tayo, Day.
Bye pa to. Sige, B. Bye. Thank you, te. Ingat.
Bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you soon. Ella, you liked it? You like your new couch? You like it then? Very secure. Walang dents. Oh, may damage. Pero, okay lang.
Why would I see the damage?
Here.
Mommy, you didn't want to show me.
I'm not really. It's okay.
Mommy, win.
No. I'll show you.
Because I only like this. Because I like to party. This way.
You're strong.
I'm stuck. You did all and you didn't even do any.
Wow.
I did yours. You did this. Oh!
Uy, macho. Uy. Uy. Wow.
Let me see.
Let's clean here first.
Yeah. What?
See? Perfect.
No.
Oh.
One last one here.
Oh.
Why you want?
That's
Mommy, that's
perfect.
Mommy, that's wrong. That's just.
It's okay.
This is not gonna be sweet.
Wow. Wow.
It's the same, Mommy. It's a diamond.
Okay. Let's put this.
No, not there.
It's perfect.
Because it's supposed to be on the table.
Oh my God, so much drama and
Mommy, because it was on the floor. Drama. This is a picture.
actually,
I don't know what you're saying.
me too. Mm.
It's okay. What is?
Look at this. So, what are we going to do? This is
They have these. Who's these? Let's go now.
so. Okay.
What happened to my classmate ticket off?
Uy, linaw niya. Don't go here. Go outside because it's going to be ringing. Uy! Ganda. Okay, let me see. Wait, tas nag-tiktok na siya.
I want to watch.
Ayan na, wait. Crying. Why crying? You want it to be straight, your hair? No, I'm just going. You don't like rain? Okay, turn around. We'll show to Aya. Okay.
Will you take a picture?
Yeah. Smile. Look at here. Okay.
Mommy, will you take a picture?
Yeah. You know what I like about this is it's hidden. Oh, ano na guys ha? Five kilos. Grabe, yung tugyot mo, hindi mo hinugasan. Kalimutan ko, sobrang excited po, guys. Hindi, hugasan mo naman yun. Ay, it's giving. Yeah. Ulit. Oh, diba? Aesthetic. Aesthetic. It's giving. Ganon. Oh, yun. Oh, aesthetic. Ah, aesthetic.
Rice.
Do you wanna try? Of course. Don't make it full. Okay. Aesthetic. Hindi siya nakakaya. Oh, ganon. O, sain ka na, Day. Gano? Ay, very static. I like it. Huy! What are you doing? It's nice.